Last one was cob. Cob means a masculine uh, gender of swan. The swan is a female bird and the male bird is cob. And then cock and hen, we all know cock and hen. Colt, C-O-L-T, colt. C-O-L-T, colt. Colt means a young horse. Means yet there is no griddle or it's not trained young horse. Colt it is, and the female, the feminine of colt is filly, F-I-L-L-Y. F-I-L-L-Y. We get all this from any books, no doubt, but today we are recollecting that, nothing more than that. Okay. Daddy, mummy, we all know daddy, mummy, a dog, bitch, B-I-T-C-H, and drake, D-R-A-K-E, drake, a duck, we know duck, buttock, duck is feminine, drake is masculine. Drone, D-R-O-N-E, drone. Drone is male of a bee, B-E-E-B. Madhumakhi. Madhumakhi, bee is feminine gender and drone is masculine. And Earl, E-A-R-L, it's a British nobleman, Earl. And Countess is the feminine gender of Earl, E-A-R-L, Earl, E-A-R-L, Earl. And Countess, C-O-U-N-T-E-S-S, is the feminine gender. This is masculine. And this is feminine. Okay, Earl, Countess. Nowadays we don't come across this word because in the old English days there were earls. Now we don't have. And boar, B-O-A-R, boar. You know, this is boar. We always say pig, but this is boar is a male pig. Boar, it's a male pig, and feminine is a sow. A care. In our wedding cards, we generally go for a shortcut. In some states, for Saubhagyavati, they just simply put this SOW. Please let us avoid that. Let us tell the printer to make it Saubhagyavati instead of SOW. Sow is a female pig, okay? And swine, S-W-I-N-E, swine, is the class of pigs, the family like deer. That is swine flu. But specifically when we intend to say that it is a male pig, you say a boar, and a female pig is a sow. That's what I mean. And father, mother, we all know father, mother. A gander and goose. These goose are just larger than the duck, bigger than the duck, goose. And gander is the masculine gender of goose. Okay. And then gentleman, lady, gentleman, not gentlewoman, it's lady only. Nephew, niece, nephew, niece. Nephew, I think we all know, nephew, money. But sister's son is a nephew. Daughter is niece. Okay. Take care of the spelling niece. N-I-E-C-E, niece. N-I-E-C-E, niece. This is feminine. And nephew, N-E-P-H-E-W. Nephew, not nephew. It is nephew. Okay. Nephew, niece. Papa, mama, ram. Now this is ram. R-A-M. Sheep. Sheep is the total class of that particular animal. Sheep. The wool of the sheep. We make woolen clothes or worsted clothes from the wool of the sheep. That is sheep, male and female put together. But again, when you classify it gender-wise, then the male is Ram and the female is you. The female is E-W-E. You have to pronounce it as you only. You. Sir, madam, son, daughter, stag, hind. I think most of us know what a stag is, no? Stag is from the deer family with lot of antlers. हिंदी में उसको 12 सिंगा ऐसा कुछ कहते हैं. बहुत सारे एंटलर्स हैं. कईयों के घरों में पुराने ज़माने में राजाओं के घरों में वो दीवारों पे लगा रहता था. It's a stag. A beautiful antlers it has. Stag, okay. A male, that is always male. Female doesn't have antlers. Stag. Male is hind. H-I-N-D. Uncle, aunt. Wizard, witch. Wizard mane. Wizard means a male ghost, and witch is a female one. Witch in a Harry Potter case, you will see that witch. She flies in the sky with a big broom and a stick. She is a witch, and the male is a wizard. But at times we use this also to amplify a man's or some person's hard work. He does any work, he is a wizard, like that. सारा भूत है, कुछ भी काम कर लेता वो भूत है, ऐसा हिंदी में. And then let us know some small technical conversions of the masculine to feminine. So one point is there, a rule we can call, by adding a syllable ESS, by adding a syllable means एक hot, HOT hot है, वो एक syllable है, single syllable का word है. जैसा beautiful है, वो 3 syllables है उसमें. syllable का मतलब वो होता है SYLLABLE, that's a syllable. एक word में एक या 2 syllables रहते हैं. वैसे ही likewise ये syllable means by adding ESS, ये एक syllable है, suffix करते हैं. main masculine word को ये suffix करने से feminine हो जाता है, यानी स्त्रीलिंग हो जाती है. तो in this rule ESS and then INE, TRIX, tricks, okay, और A, सिर्फ A जोड़ने से it becomes a feminine gender. So let us see how many such words are there. Maybe more also, but let us have grip over these words. Whenever it is needed, we can use them, masculine and feminine. Okay, so some which are little typical, I will write it on the board. The rest which are common, I will spell it out. Okay, author, who writes books. Author, authoress. Baron, BARON, it's a powerful person. Baron है वो. Baroness, BARONESS, baroness. Count, countess, in the British kingdom earlier there were count and countess. Count means a nobleman. Giant, giantess, everybody knows giant. Heir, HEIR, उसको air pronounce करना है. You have to simply say AIR. Actually it is HEIR. वारिस बोलते हैं हिंदी में, तेलुगु में वारिसुडु अंटाम. A property की तने वारिसुडु. That is HEIR, but it has to be pronounced as air, AIR, very simple. And the feminine gender is heiress, host, hostess. Host means anybody you are organizing, you are taking care, welcoming people, you are a host. or you have arranged for a lunch or a dinner, you are the host. Hostess is that who takes care of feminine gender. So we have air hostess also. Air hostess, that is why we call her who is in the air hostess. If it is on the land, same thing on the land, or in a hotel, you call them stewardess, stewardess. Okay. And Jew, Jew, Jew. The religion followed in Israel, Jew, Jewess. Unfortunately, we do not have for other religions. We have for this particular belief, Jew, Jewess. Okay. Jewess. Okay. Lion, lioness, we know. Manager, manageress. Manager, manageress. Ambassador, ambassador. राजदूत बोलते हैं हिंदी में, राजदूत. आई थिंक इवन तेलुगुలో కూడా రాజదూత్ అని అంటారు. రాజదూత్, ambassador, ambassadress. Mayor, mayor in local self government, in corporations you have a mayor, mayoress. Earlier in British period those were different. Let us not get confused. This we are having now in India, mayor and mayoress. And patron, chief patron, P-A-T-O-R-N, patron, patroness. Peer, peer means a very experienced person, very elderly person who has lot of experience, who you know profits things, tells, teaches. He is a peer. So women, a female is a peeress. And albino, A-L-B-I-N-O, A-L-B-I-N-O. Albino means it is some pigment deficiency in the body, and you are born with no pigments, a brown pigment or dark pigment or fair pigments. You become pale in color. Your eyelashes, they are also grey, or let us call white, grey in color. Eyelashes also are grey. Such people are there, very rarely they are born. They are known as albino, and female is albinous. Poet, poetess. Poet means a lyricist or a person who writes poems, like Wordsworth, he was a poet. Poetess is masculine gender, feminine. Priest, priestess. Prophet, prophet, prophetess. Shepherd, shepherd, we all know shepherd. Jesus was a very good shepherd, okay, who takes care of the sheep, or for that matter, who is a caretaker. Shepherd, shepherdess. And again Viscount, V-I-S-C-O-U-N-T, again this is also a British nobleman. And Viscountess, V-I-S-C-O-U-N-T-E-S-S, Viscountess is the feminine gender. Leopard, we all know, चीता बोलते हैं हिंदी में, चीता, तेलुगुలో చెడపులు అంటారు. So English leopard అంటారు. Leopard, leopardess, feminine gender leopardess. And the next rule, okay, this is one rule I told you by suffixing ESS, INE, tricks and A. One more, ESS is now suffixed, added, dropping the vowel of the masculine. You drop the vowel of the masculine and then you add ESS, it becomes a feminine noun. It becomes a feminine noun. Like few examples, actor, actress, A-C-T-O-R. We drop the vowel and we suffix ESS, it becomes actress. Such type of few words I will read it out. Okay, read it out. Benefactor, benefactress. Benefactor means a person who gives money to for some purpose, for some good cause, is a benefactor. B-E-N-E-F-A-C-T-O-R. Feminine is benefactress. Conductor, conductress. We have in the buses also nowadays conductress. And enchanter, a person enchants something, like a snake enchanter. Sapera bolte Hindi mein. He will enchant, He is an enchanter. And then enchantress. 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 He creates, an enchanter creates delight. He creates a delight. उसके वजह से मजा आता है, enchanter है. एक magician also is at times an enchanter, magician also. Okay. And then founder, foundress, founder member, founder है वो, foundress, hunter, hunter तो सबको मालूम है, hunter, everybody must be knowing, అందరికీ తెలుసు hunter అంటే hunting చేసేవాడు, hunter, huntress, instructor, instructor are there everywhere. You go to learn computers, there is an instructor who will be teaching you. Okay, instructor. If it is a female, it is instructress. Okay, and then Negro we have got around races, 5 races, but Negro race has got a feminine gender. Negro is a male, Negress is a feminine. We got 5 races, and we Indians almost are very near to the Mongolian race. That is also a race, Mongolian race. We have got Negrolites, Australites, the Aboriginals of Australia are Australites. They look little different from the general mankind. They look little different. The Aboriginals of Australia. So they are Australites. Like that we have races, and Negro is a race who belongs to that race is a Negro, and Negress is the feminine gender. Okay, and about head of the monks, ABBOT, about ABBOT, about head of the monks, and if it is a woman, which is abbess, ABBESS. Okay, dukes, a small type of a prince in the British period. Duke, duchess, DUCHESS, feminine. Emperor, empress, EMPRESS, and precipitator, preceptor, 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 PRECPTOR, preceptor, preceptress, prince, princess, songster. Songster means a male singer. We can say singers are those, say there is a orchestra program, all the singers have arrived there on the days. Now the program would start. They have now occupied the days. Now the program is going to start. All the singers have gathered together. The singers, in that male and female could be there. Then if it is a male singer, we will call a songster, 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 and a female, ESS, songstress, SONGSTRESS, and then tempter. Tempter, person who tempts, temptress is a feminine gender, TRESS, and sinster, SEAMSTER. I think you all the ladies and girls, they all go to a semester. Semester means who sews or stitches, women's dress. He is a semester, and seamstress is a female tailor who stitches female dresses. Okay, seamstress. Okay. Then tiger, tigress, share, tigress, our national animal. Waiter, so many restaurants, hotels, we have waiter and waitress too. Okay. Then master, mistress, murderer, murderess. Now you should know who is murderess. MURDERER, murderer. MURDRESS, murderers. Sorcerer, SORCERER, sorcerer कहते हैं. Witchcraft, he will call all the witches, bhoot pret. He is a sorcerer and sorceress. I mean, it's fugitive, it may not be true, but it's in the language. As a noun, sorcerer is male and sorceress is female. So ESS, whenever you have a confusion what would be the feminine gender of a noun, you can use ESS as a thumb rule. Make the thumb rule, put ESS, no problem. If it is animal, you don't know the exact feminine gender of that animal, you can say a cow or a bull. It becomes easy for you. Or for that matter, birds, it's a she bird, he bird, or a hen bird. You can use that, it's not a problem. But just academically to know, we have taken this class as you all also wanted to know more about it. Okay, and then hero, heroine, testator. Now it's a nice word, testator. Somebody who writes a will. In favor of their heir, legal heirs. He is a testator, and if it is a woman having a lot of property and she writes a will, it is testatrix. Testatrix, testatrix. Proprietor, now we all know proprietor, he is the proprietor. मालिक है, वो दुकान का मालिक है. तेलुगुलो मरी ओनर करे अनुस्तुन्नाम మనం. Anyway, we'll let us understand about ఏదన్నా పర్వాలేదు. Okay. So testator, proprietor. We have got two. Proprietress కూడా ఉంది. Proprietress. And some Latin imitation is also there. Some countries also use proprietrix also. Both are correct. But proprietress is more in use. Okay. Then Tsar, CZAR. The Russian countries or the nearby countries or the earlier USSR, Union of Soviet Socialistic Republics, was a very big country which had 9 time zones. There used to be a sunrise in the same country, USSR, and a sunset in the same country. So the sun rises in Vladivostok, sun sets in Leningrad. It was something like that, and with 9 standard times. So during those days, there used to be also kings, like those kings there in Russia were called as Tsar, CZAR, and the feminine gender of Tsar is Tsarina. Again I told you, by suffixing A, it becomes a feminine gender. For that matter, we too have in our Hindi, Kamal is the name of a boy. If it is a girl, it is Kamala, but not Kamala Harris of USA. Kamala is, we are also using that A to make it feminine. Okay. In English also, lot many words, lot many nouns have A to make it feminine. One example is Tsar, an emperor of Russia. Tsarina is the queen. Tsarina. Sultan, we already know Sultan, Sultana. Sultan is also sort of a king in the Arab countries, and Sultana is a princess or a queen. Signor, S-I-G-N-O-R, Signor in Italy, it's parallel, or it rhymes with he, with Mr. and Mrs. We say Mr. in English, they say Signor. Instead of Mr. they call Signor, S-I-G-N-O-R, and the feminine gender of Signor is Senora. We must be having some few restaurants and something with the Senora restaurant and all. That is Senora. Okay, it's an Italian title for Mr. and Mrs. Okay, Signor, Signora, and Fox. It's a very rare in English. Fox, vaccine. VIXEN, vaccine for fox. Fox ने लोमड़ी बोलते हैं हिंदी में, नक्का तेलुगु. इंग्लिश लो fox, vaccine है वो feminine gender, VIXEN, and Zingaro. I think Lambadis type in Hyderabad you will find gypsies. We can say gypsies, or in our Hyderabad they call Lambadis. The masculine of that is now that noun is Zingaro, Zingaro, and feminine is Zingara. She is a Zingara. Okay, and then the another rule is by placing a word before and after. By placing a word before and after, perhaps we are compounding it before and after. So almost all we know: grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, great uncle, great aunt, manservant, maid servant, landlord, landlady, milkman is a milkwoman, milkman and milkwoman are different. Milkman means he is not a laborer. He is a person who who has cattle and who collects the milk and sells it. He is a milkman and milkwoman. Milkmaid is something different. Milkmaid is one who works in the farm of the milkman. She is a milkmaid. Okay. And then peacock, our national bird, peacock, peahen is the feminine gender, peahen. Salesman, saleswoman, washerman, washerman I think we all have for domestic purposes. We use a washerman who washes clothes, washerman, and washerwoman is the feminine gender. And there are few other rare one which generally we do not come across, but academically I would like to give you this list also, so that anytime you come across this word, it wouldn't be a new word for you. It would be a word which you have learnt it from Alchemist English Language Testing Systems. So with this, I will continue the next class with few of the different type of words which are derived from or which originate from the Scandinavian languages, Latin or Greek, which are still there in the usage of English in certain countries, USA, UK. So we will have a class for that. That will be the last class for masculine and feminine genders. Gender point of view would be very clear after that. Okay, then all of you, please once again memorize this. Let me know if you want the total list. I will give you the total list also, so that you can save it with you, and anytime you can refer. It could be a ready reckoner for you. Okay, thank you for observing us. Goodbye.